Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the exact car, enough cash, and the right access. Drive the vehicle to a mod shop, Benny's for custom finishes or Los Santos Customs for standard resprays. On PC, make sure you've installed Open Roman 4 and created a mods folder so files aren't overwritten. Once there, choose Respray options immediately and be ready to pick base, metallic, then chrome or chrome equivalent. Make sure to note the current color values so you can revert if needed. Once inside the shop, navigate quickly to primary color and then to metallic or special finishes. Look for any chrome entry. If you're on PC using mods, open your mod tool, replace the vehicle's paint texture or install a chrome shader, and export the asset into the mods folder. Apply the change and preview the car in the bay. Rotate 360 degrees to confirm the reflective effect reads as chrome under different lighting. If it looks flat, add pearlescent or tweak shader intensity for more realism. To finish, confirm the purchase and exit the shop, then drive around to test the chrome under sun, night, and headlights so you can verify reflections. If you used mods and experience crashes or visual glitches, restore your backup or remove the modded file from the mods folder and relaunch. That usually resolves conflicts. If the chrome appears dull, go back in and adjust metallic/pearlescent levels or shader intensity until reflections look correct. Small increments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.